Rhyn ap Iorwerth.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. A wnaeth ysgrifennydd y Cabinet ddatganiad am addysg feddygol ym Mhrifysgol Bangor.
Presiding Officer, it clearly hasn't done you or David Melding any harm as to when you were born. Thank you, Rhyn. The Cabinet Secretary for Health provided a detailed update on medical education in Wales in his letter to Assembly members sent on the 13th of November. This confirmed that the first full programme of medical education to be offered in North Wales will commence in 2019.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mi nes I ddathlu fel tasa hi'n benblwydd arna fi, 7 Awst gyda llaw pan gafon ni y newyddion chydig wythnosau ôl bod addysg feddygol yn mynd i gael ei gyflwyno y Mangor o y flwyddyn academaidd nesaf. Mae Sian Gwenllian a finna a thîm Plaid Cymru yn ehangach wedi brwydro'n galed iawn am hyn, ac o'n i'n falch iawn yn bod ni wedi gallu dod i gytundeb efo'r Llywodraeth i sicrhau'r arian i wthio hyn yn ei flaen. A mae'n diolch i'n fawr i bawb sydd wedi bod yn rhan o wneud i hyn ddigwydd. Neb llai wrth gwrs na'r tîma ym Mhrifysgolion Bangor a Chaerdydd, gan mai partneriaeth rhwng y ddwy brifysgol fydd y datblygiad cyffroes yma. Yng nghwestiwn i heddiw yma, di pa waith mae Llywodraeth Cymru a chadran chi yn ystyried i wneud mwyn hysbysu pobl ifanc yn lleol bod hyn yn digwydd, fel i bod nhw yn gallu dechrau gwneud penderfyniadau addysgol gwahanol o bosib mwyn paratoi'r llwybr at y cwrs yma, ac yn ehangach na hynny, pa waith all gael ei wneud i hyrwyddo yr opsiwn yma ar gyfer myfyrwyr a graddedigion yng Nghymru ar hyn o bryd?
Thank you, Rhyn, and like you, I'm delighted that these opportunities are being made available for students in North Wales. Obviously, routes into medical school start from the very choices that children make when they take their GCSEs, and that's why this term we're seeing the rollout of our reformed SERIN programme, which looks to support children earlier in their educational career and providing them with exactly the kind of advice around GCSE options and career aspirations and opportunities at an earlier stage. Obviously, universities are autonomous bodies, and we can't dictate as to whom they admit to their programmes, but I am delighted to say that following changes to the application and admissions programme both at Cardiff and at Swansea, who are working in partnership with North Wales and West Wales to expand medical education, we have seen an increase in the number of Welsh domiciled students gaining a place to study medicine at their institutions. So that is now 30% of students in Cardiff, and 50% of the students on the Swansea postgrad programme are Welsh domiciled students. And in fact, we see a record number of Welsh young people being accepted to medical school across the United Kingdom, and applications from Welsh domiciled students to study medicine have again risen by a further 14% for this year's application cycle. So there is a very keen interest amongst Welsh school and college students to pursue courses in medicine, and that's why the extension of numbers of places at Bangor and in West Wales in conjunction with Swansea, our students, I believe, are well placed to take advantage of that expansion.
Mark Isherwood.